That's badass, bro. Game. I'm back from another video. Today we're gonna be getting some decals put on the truck today. So hope y'all stay tuned for a little short video. It's not gonna be too long. How's everybody doing? I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed 2022. Mine's been kind of rocky. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sit here and cap to you, but we gonna get it together. We trying to get the truck together. My group trying to get together. So trying to get these cars ready, get these trucks ready. Wham coming up soon, Wheel Fest coming up soon, Wham, all that stuff's coming up soon. So trying to get these truck ready. I got so much in store for this truck. Wheels, wrap, you know, so I got the music in here. I don't know if y'all seen it yet. The music in here. It's still for sale if you want it. It's still for sale. But almost at this little destination. I'm gonna turn it back on when we get there and then see these little decals I got on. Hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all like it. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. And see you when we get there. Peace. Right there is perfect. Yeah. Yeah. I wasn't much charging.
You got your shirts already for YouTube?
Yeah, I got shirts. Trying to grow it slowly. You need to make some more videos. Like, I already did light stuff on the truck. I ain't even recorded. I was just being lazy.
You wanna go to Yellow Bay?
Yeah. I wanted to go last Thursday, but they said it was closed. hopefully it's open this week. Good. There from the burnouts we did the other day. We're getting a YouTube on the back, the other side just like this side. And gotta get y'all I didn't get the video of putting the rock lights on there, but I'm gonna do a review on it probably this weekend. The rock lights, we got new headlights, so probably do a review on that too. Yeah, it's coming out good, guys. We're also doing a star Saturday. It's dirty. I'm doing my stars this weekend.
Oh yeah? You paying someone to do them or you gonna do them yourself?
Yeah, me and my boy do them. I'm doing 560. Still need a name for the truck, guys. When we gonna name the truck? I haven't found no name yet. Definitely gotta watch the truck. Look at this. Y'all know that's not me. Horrible. Just racing videos, car meets. I'm gonna start doing pranks pretty soon. Yeah. They'll get a lot of views. Cause you don't want to do something that someone already done did.
It's kind of hard, it's already...
Yeah, too many people done did them, so. We want to quit when I'm at Yellow Belly, but I've been trying to enjoy the races. I was like, I'm gonna pull my camera out. Like a couple of my videos at the track, you'll see I'm looking at it with the camera not. He be all in the sky. I said, yeah, I can't record when I'm watching races.
I feel like that one guy, he just posted The camera setup.
Yeah.
It's gonna be facing it, like down the race, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like the views are at TikTok. That's where the views are really at.
Yeah. I got a lot of views on my TikTok.
Yeah, like maybe sometimes you go out of nowhere and you get shit ton of views for no reason.
I had just posted this truck and then I got like 3K views within a couple of hours. Like just a regular truck. Instagram, I may get like 100 here, 200 there.
You want to race and put a truck be a stock 10 speed?
We can do it. It's gonna lose. Waiting on, I gotta see me my tune though. That's what I'm waiting on. This bitch tap out at 110 and spin like crazy. Still the tires.
Just take off the foul badges and you can say it's a Shelby.
Yeah.
I changed the bumper in the hood.
Go check it out. I wanna say I seen it out there. You raced the Yellow Belly?
Nah, I haven't raced it.
This is a great one to be out there all the time.
I don't think you seen the front, that's why.
Oh yeah, it's probably like you can see the front, yeah. This car's so fucking loud, that shit's crazy. Good. Check him out. Look at the music, it's crazy. Oh yeah. Oh, that's badass, bro. Yeah, mine too. I check my boy out. It's dope. Yeah, in the back. I got a wicker bill in there too. It's perfect, bro. Well, you go up a little more with it, so I don't see out the back window. Try to go as far as you can. Yeah, that works.
Just make sure from the back it's not like really extensive. I don't want to look.
Yeah. That looks straight. Yeah. That one no smoke. Maybe cut that shit off. Yeah, like it. Check the channel out. They know where they can find you.
Huh?
They know they can find you.
Decals and Instagram. Oh, yeah, that's what the only page I got.
Yeah, only page you got.
Decals.
Yeah. Get the boy up. Got good pricing too. Alright, now again, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit my boy up at Dallas Decals. I hit him up last night. He chopped him down, got it ready for me. He installed it himself this morning. Could be more happy with it. I mean, it looks good. The work is good. So make sure you hit my boy up. So, catch you in the next one. See y'all later. Peace.